Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to learn how to use may, might, and could. And we use may, might, and could to express future or present possibilities. Okay, but remember first to structure your sentences by using subject. The first thing you have to use subject, then the modal, then the verb, and then the complement. Okay, in the subject you know, but the modal you can use may, or if it is negative, may not, might or might not, could or could not, if they are negatives. And then you complete with a verb and a complement. And here we have some examples that you are going to learn, or you are going to complete them at home. And we are going to make the first one. Here we are going to match. Where are my keys? So what is the right answer? Okay, look for it. Yes, the answer would be they may be in my bag. Then let's use another one. Is that job over there? What could be the answer? Yes, is that right? Yes, it could be him. He is in Madrid now. Okay, let's do another one. Lily called. She said. Correct. The right answer is she might be late. Why are you talking? Why are you taking an umbrella? Which is the correct answer? Yes, right. The weatherman said it might rain. Okay. You should buy the new tickets today. Which is the correct? Right. There may not be any left tomorrow. Another one, the last one is what is in the box? Correct. It might be the books I ordered online. Okay, now let's go to our second exercise. In this one, in these ones, you are going to answer at home. Okay, where are you going? Remember to use it may, it might, or it could, or I might, I might. Sorry, I might, I may, or I could. So you can use the pronouns here. Okay, where are you going for your holidays next summer? Here, I don't know yet. I might go too. Where are you going this summer? I'm not sure. I may, I might, or I could. What are you going to have for dinner tonight? I may, I might, or I could have. And you have to answer, okay? Okay, this is my short explanation. And I want you to follow or to see the next video where you are going to have more information about the use of might, made, and could. Okay, see you there. Bye bye.